Hi guys, Robyn here from Miami Culinary Tours, your storyteller. First, I hope everyone's safe, I hope everyone's healthy, and I miss you guys, but never fear. I've got my hat, I've got my shirt, and today we're gonna do a tour right here in Casa Robyn's. You remember guys on tour when I talked about my Jewish heritage and how it relates to the Cuban culture. We both love our food, we love our family, we love to talk too much, but more than anything else, we love to share. And I remember my grandpa used to love to share his potato pancakes with his Cuban neighbors. My grandpa gave the recipe to my mother, and then my mother gave it to me, and now I'm gonna give it to you. So let's get started. So first of all, we got 4 ingredients. We got potato, we got onion, we got eggs, we got matzo meal. It's gonna make a great pancake, right? It will, but the secret to my potato pancakes lies right with your box grater. I don't use a food processor, and you're gonna find out in a minute why, okay? So, first of all, starting here in the bowl, I have our shredded potatoes, just to get a little bit started. Now we're gonna shred them into water. It's really important that it's in water, guys, because it's gonna prevent the potatoes from darkening, and it's gonna help really crisp up those potatoes. So I'm gonna show you, with just a little bit of the potato left, what you're gonna do. You're gonna start on the shredding portion of the grater, and here's what I recommend you do first. Get your arm in working order, and get your face in working order. Do your shred face. So you're gonna shred, 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 shred. Now, here's the whole secret to my potato pancakes. You ready? You're gonna flip over the grater, and you're gonna actually use the grating side. So you're gonna grate, 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 grate. You're gonna shred, 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 shred. You're gonna grate, 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 grate. And then finally, you're gonna shred, 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 shred. Why? Why are we doing this? It's so that you're gonna have a lacy outer layer of the potato pancake and an inner layer that's soft and delicious. If you just use your shredded portion, you're gonna end up with a pancake that can get too crispy. And if you just use the grated portion, you're gonna end up with potato pancakes that taste like hockey pucks. Okay, at this point in the process, I need you to do something for me that's really, really important. I want you to put your hand near your forehead, and I want you to go to your family, and I want you to tell them this. Oh, the things I do for you people. This was a lot of arm work. This is a big bowl of love. I'm just saying, I'm just saying. Okay, this is ready for draining. So we're gonna take it to the sink. We're gonna drain it all off, and the best part is yet to come. This is my favorite part. We're gonna take the potatoes, and we're gonna massage them a little bit. So we're gonna get out all the water, okay? This also helps the potato pancakes to really crisp up. So you're gonna really press down and press down and press down until all that water is gone. Okay, we're gonna transfer it to a bowl, nice bowl that we can work with over this skillet. So we're gonna take it, put it all in, and let's get rid of these items. We are gonna then add our 2 eggs. Let's put that up there. We're gonna add some eggs to it. We're gonna add our matzo meal, okay? Now, I got one more secret for you. You know me, I'm always full of secrets. We're gonna add to my potato pancakes a little bit of Cuban. This video, this is all about Jewish and Cuban marrying each other. We're gonna make Cuban pancakes. So we're gonna add the cumin. Yeah, let's add a little bit more. And then a little bit of pepper on top of that. And finally, I wanna show you how to use salt properly. Most cooks do not know how to use it. This is what you do. You don't just throw it in. You create a shower. It's raining in Miami, okay? So you always want to have your salt way above your food. Why, guys? Because then it seasons everything all evenly. All right, beautiful mixture here. We're gonna take the whole thing. So simple. You can make this ahead. You can store it in the fridge. Come at night, come home, make your potato pancakes. All right, let's just get that egg all in there. Perfectly done. Now, you're gonna take a big soup spoon, okay? And then over a skillet, about 2 inches of vegetable oil. Make sure, guys, that you do not use olive oil. You're gonna burn the heck out of it, okay? Take about a spoonful, I know this looks kind of big, but this big, okay? You're gonna dump it into the oil. When it's really, really hot, you're gonna get both sides totally golden brown, and the result is, look at this, babies. Look at these babies. Let me show you the most perfect specimen. You can see this one on top. The edges are nice and lacy. The middle, like a pillow, okay? So you want to have it crispy on the outside, pillow on the inside, delicious. You're gonna take a little glass of wine. You're gonna say l'chaim. You're gonna say salud. Guys, I'll see you soon. Stay well.